Here's my backpack I'm using today at my date pack. It's Outdoor Products. Got a Gatorade and a water. My new trekking poles I got for Christmas. I'm trying those out. And this is the tripod I got. And this is the top of my selfie stick. And here's the selfie stick. Just screwed that right on the top right there and hold it out. It's pretty cool. And my shemagh I got. It's pretty nice up here. We're gonna go walk over here and check out that bench, and then I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright, my ear's all cleaned up, picked up. Make sure you pack out what you pack in. We'll get up and going over here and check it out. What's that? This dog is trying to bite me. Well, growling at me anyways. That's funny. Check this out. Somebody destroyed it. It did have a sign on here that said Warnack Nature Trail. I don't know what happened to it. Somebody destroyed it. I have a picture of it somewhere. I'll post it up with this. I'll find it. That's too bad. That thing was pretty nice. It was all welded up and connected in there. It means vandalized it. There's some more view. Another bench up there. There's a view from the other side. That's crazy, they're just tearing stuff up like that, man. Can't believe that. Someone put a lot of hard work into that thing. That's pretty nice. Makes me mad. At least there's not a lot of trash all over the place either. If I do see some, I'll pick it up and take it out of here. Alright, we'll get back to you. Come up to these Joshua Ranch Trails signs. So I guess we can go that way. Wow. We just came from over there where that bench was at. There's all these posts they put in, I guess, to go certain directions, I guess. Never seen no trail map. Got some little birdie down there, wildlife. Alright. I'm gonna turn around and get out of here. Look at that awesome view. I wish I was up in the mountains. Well, this is kind of a little mountain thingy, but whatever. Anyways. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and leave some comments and suggestions for me. I appreciate it. Thanks. Let me check out that view.